for mine. Mama told me good things come to those who wait. I can't wait any longer, 'cause I'm ready to have my kid.
Not for your drawers, I was there for a good cause. You say I'm no good, I paid you no attention. But since I'm on that subject, baby doll, let me mention. When I first met you, I knew I had to get you. I told chaos about you, but they told me not to sweat you. Love was a game and I'm playing at my own risk. I treat you with respect and now you still wanna diss.